Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Bome. A full update. We'll talk a little bit about the market, or at least the parts of the market that actually matter for Bome. We'll talk about the movements we had over the course of yesterday evening, but also earlier yesterday already. Over the course of today, we've been relatively bearish, but that was also to be expected. And just in general, hopefully at the end of the video, you have as much of a thorough overview of Bome that you need, all right, to trade it or to at least know what's most likely to happen. So what we saw yesterday, just to give you a little bit of context, is that Bitcoin, which has retraced quite a bit, but Bitcoin gained a lot of bullish momentum. And what that caused, and most meme coins are still very bullish, but that caused a lot of bullish momentum for meme coins, all right. So Pepe made new all-time highs, Bonk broke out, Floki broke out, Bome also broke out, which might be the most important thing to talk about here. Ladies did very well, so in general, a lot of bullish breakouts. And that was also to be expected for Bome. What we talked about with Bome in the last couple of videos is that it's an interesting crypto in the sense that it's correlated to other meme coins, right? So if other meme coins are bullish, then Bome is bullish as well. But there does seem to be a little bit of manipulation going on as well, because if you look at Bome right here, with all the bullish moves, it's very sudden. All right, you have these big buy orders coming in, where in the matter of like tens of minutes, millions and millions of dollars in positions are being opened. And that also happened yesterday. It was a little bit more sporadically, but we got a couple of times where in a matter of like an hour, over $5 million in positions were being opened. So what that means for the price is that we are more volatile. What you can see right here, like the Pepe is going up like this, right? Pepe is going up like this. And then Bome is going up like this. That's a big difference. We are bullish, and that's also what I said in the last video. We are bullish, and I expect us to continue to be bullish. But like after a move that we got yesterday with a lot of momentum and these big buy orders, and then we hit a significant resistance level around 1.5 cents, which is a strong technical level, as you can see, but it's also a strong psychological level. A bit of drawdown is actually possible. And right now, now that Bitcoin is dumping a little bit, which does matter for meme coins as well, I would say if the markets are strong, what I would say then is that, all right, well, Bome is losing some momentum here. The RSI is resetting. We'll drop down into our main support, which is right here around 1.3, and then from there we'll consolidate. Excuse me, my mouse is acting up. From there we'll consolidate, and then eventually we'll be able to break above 1.5 to get up to 1.6. That's what I would say in normal market circumstances, and I still think that this is most likely to happen. All right, a move up to 1.6 is most likely, in my opinion, because we are in an uptrend. And I don't see, even though the markets are turning a little bit less bullish, I don't see enough of a reason to assume that all of a sudden this uptrend is going to stop. But what I do think is a possibility, and that's also something we've seen before, is that we dump down lower towards 1.2. If you look at this trend line, if we drop down all the way to 1.2 cents here, which would be a drop of about 12%, 12 to 15%, I think we would still be bullish. And I think that's a possibility if Bitcoin really starts to dump down towards like under 66,000. So this ultimately, I think, is likely. But whether we will hold 1.3 and 1.27 cents, or whether we'll do something like this, that's something I don't know. And that's something we'll have to see, and that's something that depends on the markets, all right? So be careful for now. As long as the open interest keeps dropping down, we'll drop down lower. Ultimately stay bullish, but I'll keep you updated, all right? For now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.